Namaste everyone, thank you very much for checking out this video. So in this one, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Minecraft server. So as you can see, I just played a game on Minecraft and I connected my server with Minecraft, right? So as to build something over there in the Minecraft environment. And now I am, I died in between and now I'm not running it. You can see here, you died, God of Jan 1 to 6 was slain by spider. So I was killed by spider and I'm out of this game right now, but my server is still running. It is still connected to this Minecraft, right? Now, if I have to reset the whole environment, I don't want to begin from the same point where I lived, right? I want to have a new environment. I want to play in a new environment. So for that, I need to reset my server. Now for that, the steps are, you need to first close this server, right? Simply close it. And then you can come here on this window on Minecraft. And then you have to open the folder in which your server configuration is present. So for me, it is Spigot 1.15.2. And you can see here the start Minecraft server, that file is present in this folder. And over here, you can see three more folders, one with name world, the other one with name world nether, and the third one with name world the end. So what we have to do, we need to select all these three folders and we need to delete them permanently. Right, so whatever things I created in the environment before I died, everything was there in these folders. And now because I've deleted everything, when I will re-enter into the Minecraft's environment, I'm going to get the same things, or not the same thing, sorry. I'm going to get a new environment and everything will be from the beginning. Let me just show it to you. So I've deleted everything, as you can see, and let me quickly start the server. So start, I can write here and start Minecraft server.bat. I'm running my server again. And if you guys don't know about this process, how to set up Minecraft server, you can see the very first video which I shooted today in the morning, and I posted it on my channel, in which I explained briefly how can we do this setup, right? And you can find the useful links. You can find the link of the server in the description box. Just click it and it will redirect you to OneDrive, to Google Drive, sorry. And you will find there a folder in which you can find all these server files. So just download that folder and run it the way I just showed it to you in this video just now. Right, so my server is still running, and right now the things are setting up for the server. Let's wait for a bit of time, and after that I am going to show you how can the environment which we'll get after connecting the server with Minecraft. So wait for one more minute. We'll be able to connect it with the Minecraft very soon. Right now, the resources that we need for processing the blocks in Minecraft are getting prepared. Okay, preparing spawn area, fine. So I think within next 1 or 2 minutes, we'll be able to see the server up, and after that, I'll show you the magic. And if you want some projects of MCPI-API, so that you can practice the Python coding that you need to have the knowledge of for controlling the Minecraft block. So you can check out the second video which I posted today on my channel. This is the third one which you are seeing right now. Before this, I posted a video, right, in which I showed how can you use Python coding for controlling the blocks of Minecraft. So if you want, you can just check out that video. In the description, you can find the link through which you can download the projects which I showed in the video. And there are many projects which are there in that folder, the link of which is in the description section of the video. Go ahead and just check it out, and definitely you will be able to learn this thing. Hardly it's going to take you half an hour or 1 hour to learn all these things. It's very easy, not that difficult. But in case you want my help in learning these things, so just give me a call on my number. I'm going to share it in the description section of the video so that you can just reach out for help in case you need any. So my Minecraft server is up and I need to now join it. Okay, so right now what is happening, the Minecraft environment is getting connected with the server, and after that I'll be able to push my Python code in this Minecraft environment through that server. So Terran is getting loaded. Let's see whether we'll get the same thing where we left, right? Or we'll get the environment, a completely new environment. So you can see here, it's a completely new environment, right? Whatever I created in the previous video, it's not there in this environment right now. So that's the way you can reset your Minecraft server. So this is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot, and I hope the information which I shared in this video, you find it really meaningful. So this is it. Thank you very much for being there with me in this video. Thank you. Thank you so very much for supporting my channel. Have a great day ahead, guys. Bye-bye. Take care and best of luck for your future ventures.